direct na ako. Or isa na, nasa ano na ako? Isang sikat na film industry, maybe. Diva.
10 years from now, siguro may anak na kami ni Joe.
Parang dito. Ako 10 years from now. 10 years.
Isa na akong ganap na singer.
How about you?
Guys, wait lang. 10 years from now, may may business na kaming lahat.
Yes! 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 My 10 years
Wala sa Thailand na ako.
Yes! So this is us 10 before the 10 years.
This is us, 2025.
Yeah.
I'm 17, guys.
I'm 16, turning 17.
I'm 16.
How about you? Nag-shutdown na, wala na.
Meron pa po.
Meron pa. Oh.
Mali! Mali yung ano naman. Mabilis namatay yung ginawa.
Ah, 12 years old. Sorry.
Ikaw,
I'm 16.
how old are you?
16.
17. Ah,
Yo, wala!